And I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There were times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You are just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forever. All those years I've longed to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you. Every night I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you would be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You are just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be.
Happy birthday, Ate Alma. Happy birthday, Ate Alma. Happy birthday, Ninang Alma.
Hello, Ate Alma! Happy birthday po! Mag-ingat po kayo dyan!
Hi ate! Happy birthday! Miss na kita. Wala kang makaaway dito. Kasi ate Dayan, ang tahimik niya. Lagi siyang nasa kwarto, nagre-review. Sana umuwi ka na. Joke. Sana next year, nandito ka na kasi, diba, 2 years ka dyan. Pero habang nandiyan ka pa, sana mag-enjoy ka. Alam ko na, miss mo kami. Pero lagi rin naman tayo nag-Skype. So, yun. So, medyo hindi mo na kami namimiss. Ngayong birthday mo, wish ko lang sana ay good health. Tsaka mag-ingat lagi dyan. Dalhin mo ko dyan, ha? Huwag mo kakalimutan dalhin dyan. And thank you sa mga padala. Thank you din sa suporta. Kahit nandiyan ka sa Canada, sinusupport mo pa rin ako. Tsaka si ate at si inay. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hello baby bear, I love you. Miss na kita. Ngayong birthday mo, gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng tulong na ibinigay mo for me. Most of all, siyempre sa pag-inspire mo sa akin, sa lahat ng bagay. My only wish for you is to have a good health. Kaya lagi ka mag-iingat dyan. Okay? So, sige, bye-bye. I love you. Miss na talaga kita.
Happy birthday, ate. Miss na miss ka na naming lahat. And alam ko naman na kahit ano pa yung mga trials at pagdadaanan mo, kayang-kaya mo yan dahil isa ka sa pinaka-strong girl na nakilala ko. And ayun, huwag kang makakalimot kay God. And be happy. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Alma! Alma, this is the first time na mag-celebrate ka ng birthday na ikaw ay wala dito. Pero huwag mo isipin na ikaw ay wala sa aming tabi. Isipin mo lagi na kami naririyan sa iyong tabi para hindi ka malungkot. And first of all, lagi mong isaisip ay ang ating Panginoong Diyos. No? Lagi kang magpapasalamat sa Kanya at iyon ang iyong magiging guidance. More blessings, more birthdays to come. At saka, Alma, ang aking wish sa iyo ay ikaw ay maging malusog, kumain ka lagi ng healthy foods, at isa pa ay maging matatag ka yan sa iyong trabaho. Alam kong ikaw ay napaka-ambisyosang babae. Alam kong ikaw ay matapang ka. Kaya mo yan. At ikaw ay idol ng iyong mga kapatid. Okay. Happy birthday!
Time stands still. Beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. One step closer. One step closer. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000